So yeah, this part of Macedonia that I'm in right now, see, it looks a lot like Colorado. Had Colorado not been as developed as it is, and I don't mean developed like quality of infrastructure or anything. I mean developed as in like stuff built everywhere. Like this is, it looks like Colorado if Colorado had 25% of the population. Like the hills, the fields, it's got vineyards, it's just pristine. But I found this abandoned house. We're gonna go take a look. Oh, maybe this was like an old train station? There's an upstairs. Here's your bog standard cellar. I don't have a light, so the video would be kind of shit. This had to have been a train station and not just somebody's house. Although, I don't know why a train station would have a, basement. I don't know. It would make for a cool house though. Pretty cool location. It's on a nice layout. You could even have sort of like a duplex because it's not connected, but yeah. Thanks for watching.